They are basically about two confirmation, or let me say two confluences that I look for whenever I'm trading. Now, the first is simply referred to as the change of character, and the second one is simply referred to as the liquidity sweep. Now, change of character is simply what tells me that price is about to go from a buy to a sell, or it simply shows me that there's a change in direction of the market. So whenever I see a change of character on the lower time frame, it gives me a confirmation of what to do next. Now, the second one, which is referred to as the liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep tells me that, okay, this zone I'm looking out to buy from or sell from is likely going to hold. That means what the liquidity sweep does is that it tells me that this my point of interest or my area of interest is likely going to hold or not. I'm going to show you more of this on the chat, but before we go into the chat, if you're seeing for the first time, my name is Divine, and what I basically do on channel is document how I trade, and as well show you the market by my strategy. If you want to be seeing videos like this or content like this, I want you to subscribe, like, and as well drop a comment in this video. I'll be right back. Now, here on the chat, what I want to really look into or pay much attention to is liquidity sweep and change of character, because these are like the two confirmation I normally use whenever I'm trading. So I'm going to lay more emphasis on liquidity sweep and change of character. But before we go into that part, which is the lack of trading, I'll have to understand the bias on the higher time frame, and then I'll use what's happening on the higher time frame to make decisions on the lower time frame. So first thing first off is to go to daily time frame and identify the direction of the market and as well mark out key levels. Now, if I'm to check or look at this pair currently, what I'm going to do is to simply use my trend line to understand where market is going to. Because if I use my eye, I can see that it's a downtrend, but I don't know what the downtrend is doing or the pattern is taking. So what I'm going to simply do is to use my trend and mark out trend. Now, this is a very valid trend for me. Why? Because it has a lot of touches on it. Like, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even 6 touches on this trend. So this is a valid trend line that is showing me that price is in downtrend, and this is the support level for that resistance. The price is in the downtrend. So what am I going to do next now? I'm going to understand what price is doing at this support level and on this resistance level by understanding the market structure that price is doing here. So what I'm going to do that is go to the 4 hours time frame to understand the market structure. Now on the 4 hours time frame, price is simply giving us a bullish sign that price is in an uptrend. So remember what we saw on the daily time frame, that price is in a downtrend. But if you have studied this particular movement, you have seen that price is in an uptrend. So what is the trend saying? You need to understand what the trend is saying always. Now if I'm drawing my trend line, this is a valid trend line. Why? Because it is possible that it's having plenty touches, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and even 7 touches. If I'm to mark out my key area or key level that I'm interested in, this place is simply a key level that I want to pay attention to. Let's study together what price is doing on this trend. Now, if you look closely here, you see that price broke below this trend, and price struggled to take out or to break the trend, and then finally price broke the trend, and the price is going back to this trend. What I can simply say is that price gave us a rally base and a rally. So this place is an area of concern or a point of interest, or you can call it a demand zone here. This place is a demand zone, but what you want to understand if this demand zone is a valid demand zone, because what this trend is telling us that price broke below the trend, giving us a bearish signal. So even if this is an uptrend, the price is below the trend and likely showing us a sign that price is in a downtrend. So the 4 hours time frame is telling us downtrend. The daily time frame is also telling us downtrend. So what we want to do attention is to see if this is going to be a valid demand zone. And how do we do that? We have to go to the 4 hours, 1 hour time frame and understand what price is doing on the 1 hour time frame. Now for this trend to be for this demand zone to be a valid demand zone, we have to see price in general liquidity around this area, making people to sell or making people to buy early. That is price trying to engineer people to do the opposite of what price need to do. That means if price is going to buy, price is going to be creating a scenario that price is going to sell. But if price is going to sell, price is going to be creating a scenario that price wants to buy. So let's understand what price is doing at this level here. Now on the 1 hour time frame, I cannot clearly see any liquidity on the 1 hour time frame. What I want to go to do is to go to the 15-minute time frame and see if there's any liquidity prices generating there. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, I can clearly see that price is in general liquidity, trying to make people to buy from this area here. Trying to make people to buy from this area and putting the stop loss below this area. That means there's liquidity resting above this area. The stop loss is resting above this area. So this place now is a liquidity for me here. This place is a liquidity here. This place is a liquidity. Price have been liquidity around this zone here. And people are putting the stop losses below this. Below this. In fact, people are putting the stop losses around this area here. So what are we going to do for now? We're going to understand what price is doing at this level and to see if price is actually going to buy or sell. Because this is where we want to understand if price is going to buy or sell. Now remember, this is the last phase of this place where we're going to understand what junior character is and as well we could do this sweep. Now if you have to pay attention to what is going on in this place now, at this level here, we not thousand. We want to understand what price is doing at this level here and then we'll know what we're going to do next. Now on the 5 minute time frame, you see, price in general liquidity gave us a chain of character, deceiving people that price want to buy, and people are actually buying and thinking that price is going to buy, which means that price is in general liquidity here. And let me move this ball. Just bear in mind that we are only focusing on what's happening around this area here. And what I can clearly see here is price gave us a chain of character, came back to this zone and then it's buying. But what did price do here? Price engineered another liquidity here, making people feel that this level is going to hold. But how are we going to know if the level is going to hold? Now price gave us liquidity here and price gave us another liquidity at this area here. So there's a buy side liquidity. There's a buy side liquidity. What's happening? There's a buy side liquidity here and there's a sell side liquidity here. Now for us to know if you're going to sell or you're going to buy, what we want to see price do is we want to see price buy into this area, take out this liquidity, and then give us a chain of character. And what this means is that price is going to sweep liquidity around at this basal liquidity and then proceed for the sell side liquidity. Let me recap. What I want to see price do right now is to sweep this liquidity above this place, this basal liquidity here. But if price does not do it, what I want to see price do is for price for this level to be valid. So if price does not take out this liquidity that is above this area here, this basal liquidity, and price proceeds to take out this liquidity here, it simply means that this level is going to hold. So what I want to see price do is I want to see price buy to this area here, take out this liquidity around above this area here, and then continue for his sell. So for me, a possible entry on this pair is to buy from this place, right now, buy from this level here, and put my stop loss above this area here. I can put it above this area here, or to be safer side, or to allow my trading to breathe, I can put it on this trend line, which is simply a 32 pip stop loss. Now, remember what I want to do is I want price to take out this liquidity first. So I don't know how long price is going to take out this liquidity. Maybe it's going to get to this place, but I want price to sweep this liquidity out and then proceed to take out this one. So this would be my TP1, or I would say this would be my TP1 here. which is exactly a 1:1 risk to reward, my TP1. So I'm going to break even if price take out this particular one, I'll break even. And then this price, like this demand zone is likely not going to hold. And I want to see price take out this demand zone because it's not going to hold. Let me go to the 5 hour time frame, so 1 hour time frame, so some other thing. I want to see price take out this demand zone because it's not going to hold and target this liquidity right here. And target this liquidity right here. So for me, this is a possible entry for me on USD CHF. I'm looking to sell USD CHF. And the two confirmation I need to have before I start selling is for price to take out this liquidity right here and give me a change of character to the downside. And my stop loss is exactly 32 pip stop loss. But to be safe, I like to have a bigger stop loss. Maybe I'll put my stop loss just above this 50. I can put 50 pip stop loss. I'll risk what I want to risk. But this place is a valid stop loss. 32 pip or 35 pip stop loss is a good one. And targeting this equal lows here, this liquidity right here. So for me, this is a very valid setup for me on USD. If you have any question you want to ask or you want to understand very well, you could write a comment for me down below and I'm going to attend to it. I think that'll be all for this pair. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.